I don't know how to choose fabrics when buying clothes. I don't understand the difference between natural fabrics. Confused by natural fabrics. 4 steps to choose wisely. Cotton, breathable but wrinkles. Shrinks. Linen, cool yet scratchy, durable. Silk, luxurious sheen. Needs some protection. Wool, warm. Anti-wrinkle, may peel. Cashmere, lightweight. Warm, high maintenance. Check labels. 100% natural fiber only. Choose long, staple. Egyptian, Pima regular. Wool super number. Higher 等于 finer. Silk Mom. 19mm plus for durability. Linen blends reduce itchiness. Beware wool, natural. Might be blends. Care labels matter. Machine wash. Dry clean. Test in store. Crumple fabric. Check color. Organic cotton, linen. Eco-friendly. Skin, safe. Tightly woven wool, cashmere peels, less. Heavy silk crepe drapes well. Lasts long. Natural blends. Cotton plus polyester resists wrinkles. Remember, fiber plus weave equals quality. 100% natural isn't a must. Comfort first. Next, decoding thread count. Follow for more. If you like this video, please follow, like, leave a message.